My name is Lucy. In this video, I am going to tell you about my daily routine in English. Repeat each sentence after me and learn to describe your own daily routine in English. I wake up early in the morning when the sun is just rising. The soft light comes through my window, and I take a moment to stretch and feel the peace of the morning. After getting out of bed, I head to the bathroom to freshen up. I wash my face, brush my teeth, and get ready for the day. Next, I go to the kitchen and make myself a cup of coffee. The smell of the coffee helps me wake up fully, and I feel ready to start my day. I prepare a simple breakfast, usually something healthy and quick. I enjoy my meal while thinking about my plans for the day. After breakfast, I sit down and watch an English movie or TV show. This is part of my routine to improve my English skills. I've been doing this for a long time, and it's helped me a lot. While watching, I try to focus on the words and phrases I don't know. I write them down so I can learn them later. It's a fun way to practice my listening skills. Once the movie is over, I take a short walk outside. I like to walk in the fresh air, and it helps me clear my mind. Walking also reminds me of the trips I've taken to beautiful places like London and Singapore. After my walk, I come back home and spend some time writing. I like to journal about my day or write about the places I've visited. This helps me practice my English writing skills. When I first started writing in English, it was hard, but now it has become easier. I enjoy expressing my thoughts in English and seeing how much I've improved. By midday, I make myself some lunch. I like to try recipes from the countries I've visited, like Indonesia or Egypt. Cooking helps me relax and stay connected to my travels. After lunch, I do some more focused English study. I go over grammar rules or practice pronunciation. This daily study has helped me become more confident in speaking English. Once my study session is over, I take a little break. I might read a book in English or watch a short video online. It's a good way to relax and learn at the same time. In the afternoon, I practice speaking English aloud. Sometimes I pretend I'm having a conversation with someone, like ordering food at a restaurant. It feels silly at first, but it really helps. I've practiced these conversations while traveling, especially in cities like Hong Kong and Bangkok. It feels good when I can use what I've learned in real-life situations. After practicing speaking, I do a light workout or yoga. It's important for me to stay active, and exercising helps me feel more energetic. Once my workout is done, I take a moment to relax and meditate. This helps me stay calm and focused, especially when I have a lot on my mind. In the early evening, I spend more time practicing English. I like to review the words and phrases I've learned earlier in the day, repeating them until they feel natural. Dinner time comes, and I prepare something simple and healthy. I enjoy cooking and often experiment with dishes I've learned during my travels. After dinner, I like to watch another English movie or show. This is a fun way to end the day and keep improving my English listening skills. Before going to bed, I review the new words I've learned throughout the day. I find that going over them one last time helps me remember them better. I also take a few minutes to write in my journal. I reflect on what I did during the day and how much progress I've made in learning English. Over the years, I've traveled to many places like Machu Picchu, Egypt, and Dubai. These experiences have not only taught me about different cultures, but also pushed me to improve my English. As I get ready for bed, I feel proud of how far I've come in my language learning journey. It wasn't always easy, but now I feel confident in my ability to communicate in English. I lie in bed, thinking about the places I've been and the new places I want to explore. Traveling has become a big part of my life, and I'm always excited for the next adventure. With those thoughts in my mind, I slowly drift off to sleep, feeling content with the day's progress and looking forward to what tomorrow will bring.